Hi students. Let's study the ratio today. What exactly is a ratio? We frequently compare two quantities of the same kind in our daily lives. In some cases, a comparison by division makes more sense than comparison by determining the difference. As a result, a ratio is the division of two quantities of the same kind. Let's take a look at an example. There are 4 flowers and 7 plants. The ratio of 4 flowers to 7 plants is written as 4:7, or 4:7, or 4/7. Thus, it is written as 4:7. The number 4 is the first term, and the number 7 is the second term. The first term in the ratio 4:7 is 4 because flowers are mentioned first. Look at the plants to flowers ratio, which is 7:4 because plants are listed first. Remember that the ratios 4:7 and 7:4 are not the same. As 4:7 is 4 by 7, and 7:4 is 7 by 4. Let's have a look at an example. Write a ratio of 5 apples to 10 mangoes. The following is the ratio of 5 apples to 10 mangoes. 5:10. 5:10. 5/10. Let's try to address a tail problem. There are 10 sweets for every 15 chocolates. Find the solutions to the ratios listed here. Let's start with the statements. The total number of sweets is 10. The total number of chocolates is 15. We begin by determining the total number of confectionery. That is 10 plus 15 is equal to 25. Let us find these ratios. The following are the required ratios. The ratio of sweets to chocolates is 10:15, which is equal to 2:3. The ratio of chocolates to sweets is 15:10, which is equal to 3:2. The ratio of sweets to the total number of confectionery is 10:25, which is equal to 2:5. The ratio of chocolates to the total number of confectionery is 15:25, which is equal to 3:5. We decreased the terms to their lowest value to find the ratio between them, because they had common factors. Let's look at converting a ratio whose second term is 100 as a percentage. Let us write 20:100 as percentage. To begin, write 20:100 as a fraction. That is 20 by 100. We already know that any integer with a denominator of 100 is expressed as a percentage. As a result, it is stated as a percentage of 20%. Write 12 raw mangoes to 100 ripe mangoes as a percentage. The ratio of raw mangoes to ripe mangoes is given as 12:100, which is equivalent to 12 by 100. In percentage, we write it as 12%. Now try to solve some examples on your own.